Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Quickweave hair tutorial using 22, 24, and 26 inch bundle hair. So let's just go ahead and jump into the video. First I'm going to section out my hair and part out where I want my leave out. I'm going to go with the middle part. So here I'm just parting out my leave out, trying to see how far back I want my part to go. And we're just going to clip it out the way. So after we clip the hair out the way, what we're going to do is go in, comb my hair out, and I'm just going to go, well, I already ported out my leave out on my perimeter. I'm sorry, you guys. My camera cut off, but all I'm doing, the same thing I did on the other side, which is braid my hair going straight back. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like when I'm done. Now that we got our hair braided all the way down, I'm going in with this glue protectant and I'm going to apply this all over my hairline. This is just to ensure that if the glue do seep through the cap, that my hair is still protected, because once this dry, it acts as a barrier between the glue and my hair. So this is pretty good. I like this also because whenever I'm ready to change my hairstyle, all I have to do is sit up under the shower and literally let the water run on my hair and it will slide straight off. I love this stuff. And then it protects your hair as well. So, and you want to move pretty fast if you're applying it straight out the bottle, because like here, yeah. So move pretty fast, even though it is like a thick consistency, it does run. So work really fast. Now we apply the glue protectant around my hairline. I'm just showing you guys what the braid pattern is going to look like up under my Quickweave right here. That's how it's going to lay up under there. But right now we're going to go ahead and get this leave out together so we can prepare to put our wave cap on. Or as close to the part as you can. This will allow for like a seamless install when I go to gluing in the bundles. On this part right here, you want to make sure you apply a thorough amount of the glue protectant all around, making sure you do not get this glue protectant on your hair. This would be a total waste of a hairstyle if you get it on your hair, because you gotta wash it out, and then when you wash it out, there's a risk you might loosen up your track. So just be very careful and not to get it on your hair or your leave out. Going in with my blow dryer, I'm just making sure, or speeding up this process, making sure that it is dry before I go into the next step, which is adding some glue directly on top of that, so when I go and put my second cap on, it can lay flat and it'll stay because I applied the glue. You guys see what I'm talking about right here. So pull the cap all the way to the really don't need this no more. And also I need to see how far to the front I need to bring my bundles. So I need to cut off this second cap so I can get a good look at where my hairline or my edges start. So you can take this time and cut off the excess cap. I'm not going to cut it all the way off just yet because I'm kind of in a hurry. But you can take this time and cut off the excess cap that's hanging right there in the back. I'm just going to tuck it down for right now, cut it later because I was kind of cut for time. I was on my way out to work. But I'm going to go ahead and finish laying these tracks using this spritz. I'm going to spread on the top of here because that's mainly where I'm going to be combing my hair. Cutting off the second cap so I can see up here at the top where my part is at. I don't want to put any hair or glue any of the bundles on my leave out. So in order for me to see, I just cut off the second cap so I can see where my part is, so I won't put any bundles on my leave out. Alright you guys, so right here I'm just going to show you guys right there. You want to put it on the side where none of the little short hairs is sticking up. If you look at your tracks or your bundles, there's a side where you have like some short hair sticking up. You don't want to have that laying or exposed. You want to put the glue on that side so the top of your hair can lay flat, if that makes sense, guys. Right, all I'm doing here is just cutting off that very first cap that we made. We are now at the top and I need to see, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this off so I can continue to lay my tracks on my part. Okay, so for the top of my hair, I'm going to go in and split my tracks or my bundles. I take a razor and I separate my bundles and I cut it straight down the middle. So when I lay my top tracks down, it'll be seamless. You can't tell no bulky or anything. It'll lay flat. So that's why I cut my tracks at the top in half. Now that we're finally done laying these tracks, I'm going to go in and flat iron my leave out and prepare to frame my face with a razor comb. Much goes without saying, but I'm gonna say it anyway. You want to make sure you're not cutting your hair. Start cutting where your natural hair stops, so you won't cut any of your hair out and it'll blend all nicely together. And again, this is our body wave hair in lengths 22, 24, and 26. This is 3 bundles of hair that I'm using. This hair can be purchased on our website at crownsandtresses.com. I will leave the link below in the description bar. We have frontals, we have closures, bundles, wigs, whatever you're looking for, we pretty much have it. We also ship if you're not in Houston. Shipping does take about a week or 2, especially since COVID-19 is going on right now. It may have a bit of a delay, but nonetheless, this is some good hair. I'm very excited about these inches. Oh my god! So yeah, guys, this is pretty much the finished look. I'm just gonna go through and showing you guys how I can wear this half up, half down if I wanted to. Also for my naturals, if you're concerned about flat ironing your hair too much, I am gonna show you in a minute how you can pin curl the top of your hair, and that'll help alleviate so much using so much heat on your natural hair. So you can do a pin curl at night, pin it up, and wear your scarf. I'm gonna show you right here. And all you have to do is just put your scarf on, and then after you put your scarf on, just put your bonnet on. When you wake up in the morning, it'll have that nice flow to it. But yeah, I think this is pretty much it, you guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to build it. Hit that notification button as well so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Also, let's keep in touch. Go on over there to Instagram and follow me at GNicole. And I think that's pretty much it, you guys. I didn't take any pictures because I was on my way out to work. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I didn't style it too much. And I'm just showing you guys how